I finally got these. Protecting your lens is very important. Using lens caps on both ends of the lens is wise. Or have a pouch or a case, as I have for some of my lenses. I very seldom need to change lenses very fast, and that's why I always use lens caps on both ends of my lens. But of course, if you're a photojournalist, wedding photographer, you might not want to have the lens caps because it takes time to change lenses when you need to hassle with the lens caps. Before we go on, please consider subscribing to my channel so you won't miss any videos in the future. M.Zuiko Pro lenses look very similar to each other, and when grabbing them from my backpack, it's sometimes hard to tell which lens is which. And that's why I got the Lenzbuddy lens caps with the focal length printed on them. I use M.Zuiko lenses with my Olympus, of course, but you can get them with any brand that you can imagine. And you can also get any custom print on those. Go check out from their website. These ones are just the regular ones. These are always on stock. These lens caps seems to be very well made. They fit very tightly on my M.Zuiko lenses. And of course I could have gotten some stickers and just write the focal length on them and just stick them in the back of my lens caps that I already had. But stickers, they tend to come off and, you know, they do not look that nice. I think the printed versions are a lot better. And these lens caps flew over the Atlantic 4 times. The first time I never got any notice from Finnish customs, or then I don't know why I did not get it. Maybe I misplaced it somewhere, or it went into the spam folder in my mail. I don't know what happened. But then after, I don't know, I think it was about a month or two later, I contacted the Lenzbuddy customer service, and they helped to track down where my lens caps were. They found them in some warehouse in Dallas, Texas. They resent them to me, and after a week I got them. And I want to thank Lenzbuddy for finding my lens caps for me. And that was very nice, very good customer service. And I wanted to make this video because I was very happy with the customers, and I'm very happy with the lens caps that I got. And this video is not endorsed by them. I got them with my own money, so I just wanted to make it because I'm a happy customer. And thanks Lenzbuddy, you're making a great product. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.